Hi there, my name is Peter John Florentino, but you can call me Jay. And I just wanted to share a couple of times wherein I moved from one industry to another, though of the same nature. The job, I mean, is the same nature. The biggest chunk of my career is majority in the BPO industry, and I am a seasoned senior manager for quality and operations. So at one point in my life, I moved over to a work from home setup, wherein I worked with an IT company. This company's product is actually working on quality transaction monitoring by the way of using AI, wherein majority of the calls will be um, converted into transcribed words, and then that's when the AI will audit the presence of specific verbiage and some other basic quality parameters on on certain calls. And then at the same time, um, me as the quality manager of the company, we are uh, actually selling that product to some small BPOs that is in-house in the US. So I work with other clients, and at the same time we are trying to improve the actual product that we have. We are helping in implementing updates and system enhancement based on whatever we are gathering from the clients. So how I did that from being a seasoned senior manager in the BPO industry, going to that role as an account manager for a specific product. So it's an account manager, at the same time we're also doing sales. What I did is I used my skills as a quality manager. So technically I started with embedding the processes within myself by conducting like process audits. I wanted to understand the itsy bitsy information specific to the processes that the whole thing is going through. So I started understanding how the product works and what are the skeletal process flow of the system, so that I will be able to efficiently sell and also manage the expectations of the clients. After that, I moved back to the mainstream. However, in my recent company, the company that I'm working with right now, um, this is not a BPO setup. I'm still a training and quality manager for the global operations. However, this is an entirely different industry. It's a back office setup, not a BPO setup. And at the same time, it's logistics. Though I was in the BPO, when I was in the BPO industry, I've handled logistics. However, it is really different to work with the actual logistics back office directly. So how I did this is, again, I conducted the process audit for me to understand um, the nitty gritty of the process. So I started sitting down with the agents to understand how the process works. This is for me to know what are the things that we need to teach the newbies. When I joined this company, by the way, they don't have training, they don't have quality yet. So I was hired to implement quality and training. So as a standard process, I started with training. So I was able to put up the whole training team for the company through my understanding of the process, together with my collaboration with operations. This is for me to align and calibrate with them with the things that needs to be taught, the newbies needs to learn, right? And my own understanding of the process, and then confirming it with operations. That's basically how I do it.